Hi guys. So you're gonna be seeing Vlogmas day 11, but I forgot to do the intro, so this is the intro. So hey, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Sassy Shan. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy Cantata 2022 of the Paradise Baptist Church Youth Department. Let's get into the video.
Rockin' around Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see. Good afternoon, God's wonderful people. Let this word welcome Jesus with us today. Let us give God a clap of praise. Welcome family and friends online and in the congregation to our cantata. Please feel free and relax with us as we celebrate this joyous occasion. Thank you.
I play my drum for it, I play my best for it, then he smiled at me, me and my drum. Oh, me and my drum. Oh, me and my drum. Oh, rap-a-pum-pum. Oh, rap-a-pum-pum. Oh, rap-a-pum-pum. Oh, rap-a-pum-pum. The Savior of humanity, unto us a giant born, he shall reign forever. No, come and see what God has
We would like to send Christmas greetings to Reverend Bailey, Mrs. Bailey, Shanique, Shanna Kay, the deacons, the church board and their families.
To my mom, Daphne, my siblings, Elsie and Alex, and to all my nieces and nephews.
To Joy, Auntie Millie, Auntie Naomi, and the rest of their family.
To Sister Cameron, Sister Davis, Sister Alva, and to the entire youth group.
To all our friends and families of the Paradise Baptist Church, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Yes, I'm the official church photographer.
Christmas greetings from Prophetic Trio and the Cunningham family to Reverend Bailey, family, and the Paradise Baptist Church and community. We hope this Christmas brings you peace, joy, and happiness as we celebrate Christ, the reason for the season. Set the night wind to the little lamb. Do you see what I see?
Do you see what I see?
Way up in the sky, little lamb. Do you see what I see?
Do you see what I see?
A star, dancing in the night with a tail as big as a kite. With a tail as big as a kite. Ooh. Ooh.
Said the little lamb to the shepherd boy, do you hear what I hear?
Do you hear what I hear?
Through the sky, shepherd boy, do you hear what I hear?
Do you hear what I hear?
A song, high above the trees with a voice as deep as the sea.
With a voice as deep as the sea. Ooh. Ooh. Says the shepherd boy to the mighty king. Do you know what I know?
Do you know what I know?
In your palace warm, mighty king. Do you know what I know?
Do you know what I know?
A child shivers in the cold. Let us bring him silver and gold. Let us bring him silver and gold. Ooh. Ooh. Said the king to the people everywhere, listen to what I say. Pray for peace, people everywhere. Listen to what I say. A child, sleeping in the night, he will bring us goodness and light. He will bring us goodness and light. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Hello, everyone. My name is Nicole Davidson Wittig. Some people might know me as Dello. Just want to take time out to greet each and every one of you in the mighty name of Jesus, all the way from over here in cool Kuwait. It is always a pleasure reaching out to the Paradise Baptist Church family. You know, these days there are no boundaries to the way that we communicate. Nonetheless, I just want to use this medium to greet you all. It is always a blessing to be in good company and most importantly to be in the house of God. And I do hope you are all having a wonderful time at the Cantata. As we draw closer to the Christmas, I just want to say I do hope that we are all focusing on the real reason for celebrating the season. Now, I just want to take time out to big up a few people. I just want to big up my mom, Daphne, Auntie Nomi, big up yourself, Rev, big up Sister Rita, and I don't know if I should go any further because, I don't want to call some names and miss out other names, but I just want to big up everyone. And of course, I don't want to leave anyone out. So I hope all of you feel blessed and I hope you're all having a wonderful time. Much love, lots of blessings to you all. Enjoy, 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 and God bless you all. Have a wonderful evening.
I hope you enjoyed Cantata. Thanks to all who made Cantata 2022 what it was. Love you guys. Bye.
Rockin' around.